everyone, my name is Justina. So in today's video, we're going to talk about the difference between the 30K, 40K, and also the 80K. When it's come to ultrasound body cavitation, many of us were confused by the 30K, 40K, and also 80K. It's the higher number bring you the better effect. In today's video, I would like to share more information about the cavitation machine to help you to select the best machine based on your needs. First, we need to understand the meaning of the number 30K, 40K, and also the 80K.
These numbers refer to the frequency of the ultrasound waves emitted by the machine during treatment. Cavitation machine uses a powerful sound wave head that emits sound waves at a specific frequency. These waves create a strong impact on the body's fat cells and create frictional movements between them. This process helps to break down fat cells and consume heat and water from the cells, leading to the shrinkage of fat cells. Moreover, when the sound wave vibration makes a strong crack between the cells, as a result, they instantly burst and reduce. This helps to achieve a slimmer look. While these machines selectively destroy low-density fatty tissue, they protect high-density tissue such as blood vessels and nerves. The key difference between 30K cavitation, 40K cavitation, and 80K cavitation is the frequency of ultrasound waves they emit. For instance, if you get 80 kHz cavitation, that means it's going to fire off or pulse 80,000 times per second. If you get 30 kHz cavitation, it's going to pulse 30,000 kHz per second. As for the difference in treatment effect, a higher number doesn't mean better treatment. Just because you are getting 80,000 ultrasound waves into the targeted area, it doesn't mean it's going to go as deep as the slower 30,000 kHz. It may sound a little bit confusing. In simple terms, when it comes to cavitation treatments, a slower frequency may be more effective, because the slower the frequency, the deeper the waves penetrate. To help your clients dissolve thicker layers of fat, 30K and 40K cavitation machines perform better than 80K cavitation machines.
People who operate in the 80K cavitation may feel warm in the treated area during the procedure. And the warm feeling goes away when they go down to 40K and 30K. That is the difference between the high frequency cavitation and low frequency cavitation. As we mentioned earlier, an 80K cavitation will release 80,000 ultrasound waves through the handle per second. So, which can warm up your treated area during the procedure. Conversely, with the lower frequency cavitation machine like 30K and 40K, the handle, it will always stay cool, it doesn't release any heat. The cavitation handle will make you feel hot is when it's combined with the radio frequency technology. Radio frequency is designed to help you to heat up the deep layer of the dermis, which can make you feel warm during the procedure. The concentrated energy of the high frequency sound wave creates the friction and the heat among the fat cells in the focal area, breaking them down and emulsifying them. This process will release the sounds, okay? So it will make you to get the tinnitus. So no matter if you're using the 30K or 40K or 80K, so technically you will get the tinnitus. However, with the sound frequency, for some people it's just the buzz, but for the others they will think, oh, that is a little bit like the squeals noise, okay? So that is something to consider when you are doing the body contouring treatment or the body sculpting treatment if you are sensitive to the noises. At the same time, with the advancement in the technology, the cavitation machine have been upgraded to minimize the loud sounds of the squeals. So nowadays you are free to have body cavitation treatment with any frequency without worrying about the tinnitus.